Assalamu alaikum everyone. So the retest has happened for ICP. Stop losses have been taken away for the people who were bearish and they were looking to short the market. So thing is that I do believe it's time for ICP to move down, and I've talked about the retest at $11.3, and you got a little bit extended up to, you made a wick up to 12.168. So flashing off all of the stop losses up until here. So yeah, anyone who had the stop losses set right over there at 11.7 and they were trying to short the market, they have been stopped out. And I think this is officially the place where you really start to go to the downside. Now here's the thing, your new stop loss is going to actually be at that particular place. So we're talking about probably $12.4, and if you make it all the way up to $12.4 here, I think that's going to be an invalidation. So you do have a juicy 23.81% move to the downside, and today's going to be a little bit of a rapid fire update, nothing more to talk about, and that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.